Hello guys! So, for today's video, we're going to make some instrument about the Afro-American music. So, the instrument I choose is Rattles. So, the materials we needed is sticks for the handlers, marbles for the sound, coconut shell for the bass, and lastly, the apples wrapper. So first thing we need to do is put some marbles inside the coconut shell like this one, and the next thing is that we put each another coconut shells so that it can be secured. So let's do this. So we ran out of the glue stick, so we're going to refill it. So you need to add a multiple layers so if you play the instrument, it doesn't fall off. So now we're done in the first rattles, in the first base. We have here, if you can paint the glue, the traces of the glue gun or glue stick so it can be hide. That is the sound. So presumably you are going to use two. So we have two. So we're going to make that. So we will be right back. Now that we done the two rattles, we're going to attach the handle here now. So let's attach it. So now we're going to have to wait until the glue stick is dry out. We're going to make sure that it doesn't fall off. So we're done in the first one and we're going to do the next one. So now we've done the attaching the handler to the head of the our rattles. So now we're going to add some design. Here is some design of mine. You can use other design that you came up with. You can either paint it or other things. That. And now we're going to do the other one too. Oh, it's working! We're going to design this a little bit. Now, here's the finished product of our rattles. So thank you for watching. See you again next time.